It is another hot day in Texas. What's up, guys? We're back, and today we are back because today we are installing the 2018 manifold. Now, I am gonna get this ported, but it's not ported as of now. But I did get the tune from Lund. I went ahead and bought the tune for the manifold, and it's all remote tuned. I'm gonna do it through the N-gauge that's over here in my dash. So that's how we're gonna get it done. Just download the tunes through the email into the computer, connect the computer to the N-gauge, plug it in, put on the manifold, and just switch tunes. Nothing much to it. We'll see how it does. Now, I was planning on installing it myself, but I started seeing installs and I was like, you know what? It's my first time. Let me get a little bit of help from somebody who's done it on a regular basis. So I asked a buddy of mine to help me out, and in fact, we are here right now. We're just waiting for him to come out. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this put on. Jeez, you work quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie, when I did the injectors, it took me like 20 minutes to take off.
Really?
Yeah, I couldn't, like the stupid clips were so hard to clip off.
Like, did you do your research on the 18 or?
Yeah, I watched a bunch of videos and like 3 different videos with the dynos.
Yeah.
With 18, the boss, the CJ. But the 18 was the closest one to the CJ. I mean, top end, the CJ. Thank God.
See, what's it called?
Thank God I have a K member.
What's it called? It's kind of like similar. The 18 to the Shelby one.
To the 350?
Yeah, it's just a price.
What is the Shelby price at?
Like 1,000 something.
Good old E85. What I meant by the K member joke is that I have nothing down there. K member removes all the what? The shields, no? All the shields in the bottom. I was watching some of the installs and the guy removes the brake booster and I don't know what other things.
It's because there's some there's some people that remove all that shit with
But not me. Jerry said he did his also in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I was like,
yeah.
Damn.
On Jerry's, we took forever because we were like talking. I think it's fucking hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It was sitting all day, but right now I went to go get the throttle body and I went to go eat. I parked around the corner and I just turned off the car. 47-pound injectors. For these models, you need the 47-pound injectors, upgrade injectors to be able to run E85 on the car. So that's the only reason we got them. On the 18 Plus, you don't need these. You can run these with just E85 tuning, thanks to Lund, or any of the tune you go with. That's a good part. That's it, right? There's nothing holding the Manny?
There's some connections in the back.
Oh, but no more bolts, right? That's it?
No, yeah.
In case you're wondering how he's working so fast, he works at a performance shop, so this is like his daily thing.
It has like little tabs. They go right here.
Okay, yeah. That's it. She's out. What is it? Watch out for what? The wires in the back, right? These?
Yeah.
There's connections in the back along with tabs. That tab right there, that's what we were having trouble with. What he was having trouble with. Before you get the throttle, the manifold off, remember to take off your injectors. And if you don't want, what happened with the fuel spinning around, just you can take off the fuse. I think it's fuse 49, and turn the car over 2 to 3 times, and it should help it out, or you can get a rag. What's going on? All right. Or you can get a rag and just be careful when it spits out. Oh yeah, let me get it. Like, is there? I know there's a difference, but is there? I don't know how to explain. Is there a difference between the 18? This is the 18. That's 15 to 17. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I really don't know.
It's shorter, and these are more like thicker.
I did dyno research and such, but I don't know what the big difference is between the manis. I'm not gonna pretend and sit here like I know. So I'll be honest with you guys. I don't know the difference. I don't know the difference here, but I do notice the difference in the ports right here. So we got these on the 15 to 17 and these on the 18.
The MRCs are also different.
They have more what?
The MRCs?
Oh, the MRCs in the back? Oh, we don't have those, right? No, do we, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
That's
do
just
have them.
different. I don't know the ports like these.
Oh,
They're different too.
yeah. Alright. You see your differences. Not huge differences, but they're differences.
They're bigger in diameter.
Oh, yeah. And stupid phone. It's stupid. It's so dumb. Stupid hot in Texas right now. It's like 10 something outside. It's 100. It's 100 degrees. But the video cut because of the temperature of the phone. But we were saying that the diameter on the ports is bigger on the 18. We are gonna remove the solenoids in the rear, and we're gonna do the lockouts. I didn't buy the lockouts, if I'm being honest with you. I didn't buy the MMR lockouts. I got zip ties. Now, I got zip ties just because I'm going to test it out first. I still have to go send it to get ported. So, I mean, for now, I'm not really stressing out too much. And I have a lot of these guys that have ran it on just zip ties. I actually forgot to mention. He has a twin turbo car. So, there's an event going on Saturday that we all want to make it to. It's Ford versus Chevy versus Mopar. Saturday at San Antonio, and we're gonna see if we can make it out there. That's why we're doing the Manny today. Oh, he's helping me do the Manny. He's doing the Manny for me today. I meant to help, but I mean, honestly, I feel like I'd just be in the way right now. So, but yeah, see how this does to the car.
They have dust piling up and shit. How long did you run it without a catch gun? Or have you always had a catch gun?
Nah, I had like 30,000 miles on it.
Did you put a catch gun?
Yeah, super late, right? Got the UPR catch gun right here.
I don't know, dude, because all the times I changed my manifold, I've never seen it that dirty.
No, it's probably when I ran into the ditch. I ran into a ditch once, by the way. I'll tell you guys later about it. I ran into a ditch and they took it to Mike's and they probably messed it up. I'll tell you guys that story later too. UPR catch can. Probably the best catch can you can get. No, not promoting, but it's just that good. Let me see if I can clear that. Since we delete the IMRs, the ICMRs in the rear, you don't need to reclip the harnesses, but you do need to get a what? A top, right, to cover this up?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to O'Reilly right now and see if they have that, which they should. Meanwhile, we'll get everything bolted on and that's it. Flash the tune after we get back. I'm sorry guys, I got so excited about having the Manny installed and just getting the car up and running that I completely forgot to show you guys how to transfer the tune from the emails to the computer to your Engage. It's nothing hard, honestly. I mean, I'll show you guys later. It's the easiest thing ever. But yeah, okay, so it's up and running. I don't have any codes other than my traction control off, advanced traction off, My passenger, just because I don't have a passenger seat, so my airbags is on. Let's see. My TPMS sensors, just because I have the welds in the front, the rear. And that's about it, but no unusual code so far. Car's running fine. It was idling fine. And we're gonna go do a pull. We're gonna go see how it feels, see if there's any difference, and let's test out the Bud dyno. And let's see what we shift at. They didn't give me what I was gonna be shifting at. So, it's an auto, so it's gonna shift by itself. But I guess we'll see if there's any difference. Let me switch to the dash cam because I can't record. See you guys in a second. Saw in that video, I got a little excited towards the end of that video, and I kind of just floored it, started laughing and started having fun. I completely forgot to keep recording. I kind of just went on my own trip and completely spaced out about recording and keeping track of what I was doing. But overall, the 18 Manny felt pretty good that night. It felt stronger. The car felt stronger. Not exactly up top, but down low the car felt stronger. The hit felt stronger. So yeah, I'd say all in all it was a pretty good install, pretty fast install, and honestly for a budget buy or a budget Manny, whatever you want to call it, it wasn't bad. I got it for $200. Hardly used. The car was brand new, the car that we got it off of, and yeah, I thought it was a pretty good buy. I went for it, and I'm pretty happy with it. Other than that, my only other choice besides the 18 Manny was thinking about going with the CJ, but I'm on a little bit of a budget, so I was like, you know what, the 18 Manny sounds good, and it's up there with the CJ, so I thought, you know what, why not? Let's do it. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that was just a quick little install. It was supposed to be a how-to install an 18 Manny, or how to change out your Manny video, but like I said during the video, my friend was doing most of it. He did all of it, and if I would have been trying to help, I would have been in his way. I would have slowed him down more. So it went from a how-to to a look, my friend installed my Manny for me. But no, I really appreciate it, and yeah, I'll be posting up that video of the event we went to in San Antonio of Chevy versus Mopar versus I forgot. Chevy versus Mopar versus Ford. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and see you guys in the next one.